Hi guys. Okay, so the last video I showed bottle feeding a kitten, and now I'm going to show after you have bottle fed the kitten. So I just fed this little guy. His name is Xerox, and after you feed them, just like a regular baby, a human baby, you have to burp them. So you gently tap their backs. I don't know if he's gonna give us an audible burp or not, but you gently tap their backs, and I kind of massage their tummy. I'll turn them over, roll them back, there's little air pockets in there, in their bellies from drinking the bottle. I am constantly asked, the mamas don't burp them, why do we have to? Well, the difference is the mamas, their system is not going to get so much air in them as our bottles. The bottles have the fluid and the air, so they're not going to get as much air in their tummies as when they're nursing on their moms. So they get more air bubbles, and then they'll get tummy aches, maybe diarrhea, maybe even constipation. So that's why we have to burp them. I'm not going to spend the whole video trying to burp this guy, because sometimes it takes a little while. I'll move on to the next step that we call stimulating them. So this is something that moms do for them in the wild. The moms actually will lick their bottoms, their behinds, and you can see him peeing right now. So you just gently wipe their privates. There's many different methods of doing this. Everybody wants to say, oh, I do it this way or I do it that way. But the bottom line is to use something that's very soft. I like to use toilet paper. Another good method is cotton balls, very soft and gentle on them. You just urinate them, and sometimes they will poop. So what I do is, he's still peeing. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but they'll pee quite a bit. There he goes. I hope you guys can see that. And so you do this every time you feed them, and don't be alarmed if they don't poop every single time. I like to get at least one poop out of them each day. I think this guy's going to poop for us. I hope so. So they act like they're in pain sometimes, and that's because their little bottoms aren't used to pushing out these big poops. And this guy is going to poop.